Welcome. Today, we'll explore the fantastic banking benefits available to USAA members that make everyday banking easier and more convenient. Let's start by accessing USAA's online banking. Follow these simple steps to create your account and log in. USAA provides a robust mobile app that lets you manage your banking on the go. Let's explore its features. Did you know you can withdraw cash from USAA ATMs without incurring any fees? Let's find out where these ATMs are located. Having your paycheck directly deposited into your USAA account can simplify your banking. Here's how to set it up. Paying bills is a breeze with USAA's Bill Pay service. Learn how to set it up and manage your payments effortlessly. Explore the various savings and checking accounts USAA offers and the benefits they provide. Stay on top of your finances with USAA's budgeting tools. We'll show you how to track your spending effectively. If you need assistance, USAA's customer support is just a call or click away. Here's how to get help. To wrap things up, remember to utilize all the fantastic USAA banking services available to you. Happy banking!